In this video, I will tell you that how you can easily fix if Instagram is not working properly on your phone. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, basically there are four steps to solve this problem. The first thing is to check your internet connection, if you have a stable internet connection or not. Now, if you have a stable internet connection, but if you're still facing the problem with Instagram, you'll have to head over to the Play Store and you'll have to search Instagram, then tap on Instagram again, and then you'll have to update the app if an update is available. And if it doesn't work, you'll have to go to the settings. That is the third step. Now you'll have to scroll down and you'll be able to find an option of system update. You'll have to tap on it and you have to check that if an update is available, update your phone to the latest version. And the last step is to go to app section and tap on see all apps. You'll have to look for Instagram, tap on it, and then you'll have to tap on storage and cache, and you'll have to tap on clear cache, and then you'll have to tap on clear storage, which will help you to delete or clear all the bugs and glitches, and you'll be able to use it properly. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section below.